Van life. I My car won't start, and I don't know why. Because I didn't have anything on. My light came on, coming on while my battery's out. I took my vehicle to the car dealership. When I got it back, it didn't sound the same. And all I did was get an oil change, and they videoed it and said they was checking this and checking that. But then when I got it back, they didn't give me my sticker for how much, when my next date would be, and nor had they filled the windshield wiper fluid. But when he was videoing saying windshield wiper check, did check, they were showing you the video like they doing their job, but they didn't. And so I get in the car and I'm wondering, why does it sound like this in this drive? My car don't drive like this and sound this loud. But one thing he didn't do was put the box back closed, which is got to do with your pressure, so your air filter. So he didn't close that. That's another thing. It was a very poor job, and I will not go back to that dealership. And I need some car services done, but I won't trust them because now, like I said, my car wasn't sounding as loud, and all of a sudden it sounded louder. I could hear my car, and I thought maybe because I'm between two cars, but I'm between two cars all the time. I don't hear my car, and it's a brand new car. So a 2021 Nissan, and I shouldn't have any problems. Okay, thank you. And people are giving me a boost because I don't want to call the AAA because eventually you're going to be paying all these calls or whatever. But I don't know why I should have to get a boost for my battery so often. But just to tell you that another day in the life, van life, don't trust every mechanic, even if they are backing it up.